Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Happy Vinayak Chavithi to all. Today we are talking about how to get in a car and get out of the car. Easier way and without headache, hassle to get into the car and getting out of the car. This is how you need to do. First, make sure you sit in the car with the two legs outside, and then take the two legs inside and sit inside. This is the right position to sit. Take the belt on your belt, adjust your seat for your comfort, adjust your mirror and the side mirrors also, and then you catch the steering. It should be comfortable to you like this. This is the right position to sit. Same way, you want to get out of the car. The easiest way and the best way to do is this: off the engine, remove the belt, open the door and make sure that you put your two legs out, and then easy way to get out. This is the easy way to get in, get out. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.